homemade pizza dough. Here it is in my KitchenAid, kneading for 5 minutes. Step 1. All right, here we have step 2. I have my dough wrapped in some parchment paper inside the quick cooker. Now all I'm going to do is put it on the proof setting. Ooh, I got to put the lid on. The lid on. And then press start. And it's going to proof in the quick cooker for 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
So my dough that I proofed in my quick cooker, I rolled it out, put it on my pizza peel, and now I'm just going to brush a little bit of olive oil around the edges with a little bit of garlic. And then I'm going to shake a little bit of our crushed peppercorn and garlic rub on the edge. This will give it a nice crunch, just like when you buy one at the store and they have that garlicky crust. Same thing. There we go. Next, I'm going to add some pizza sauce. Obviously, this is my pizza. I'm making it how I like it, so you put whatever toppings you like on yours. This is actually for Stephen and Rick. They like a lot of sauce. They're saucy people. I'm gonna put some more on this side. There we go. I'm gonna spread it around. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? All right, next I have some leftover sausage from the other night. We did sausage out on the grill, so I sliced that up. I'm gonna add some of that to it. So it kind of looks like pepperoni, sort of, right? All right, so we'll just put these around. Go. And of course, you know, if you watched any of my videos, how much my family likes onions. So of course, we have onions. I'm just going to sprinkle some onions around here as well. Really thinly sliced. They'll just cook in the oven. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could put them on a skillet and you could cook them down and make them caramelized. All right, and then the final ingredient is obviously cheese. You gotta have, can't have a pizza without cheese, right? All right. So here we just have some cheddar. Sprinkle that all around. And I didn't have any other cheese, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of sliced provolone on top. Right here, I'm just gonna break it apart. Just chunk it on there like that. It'll all melt down and be delicious. All right, so the main reason for this video is to show you how the pizza peel works. So we're gonna go over to the stove. On the pizza peel, I do have, you're supposed to put cornmeal. I didn't have any, so I have coconut flour. So we're going to come over here. I have this preheating at 450 degrees. I have my stone in there, and all we're going to do is shake it like that. Voila! This is going to cook for about 10 minutes. All right, so the pizza is finished cooking, and I'm going to use the peel to remove. Woo, look at that! The pizza. Look how delicious that looks. Ooh, ah. And we'll put it over here. There we go.